fucking sad, man.
You have the same hole, Vic. I don't know if you see it, but you have it too. Camille tried to fill hers with information. Perry tried to fill it with anything, really. And Leo tried to fill his dad hole with the love of his fans.
Dad hole.
He went out to check the fucking mail. He'd end up balls deep in an Insta follower.
Dad hole.
Easy. Never had to act that. Original OG kids came up in the same house as Dad.
Not true. Not true.
Not big fucking head.
He's gonna snark at you. Oh shit.